Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over Home Depot promo codes and coupon codes. You would actually save up to $250 off on home, improvement. So you can come to websites like Groupon, search for Home Depot, and see 26 offers available. So many different offers right here. Some are category specific. Let me show you one right here. This one was $10 off. This one as well was $28. Actually 20% off on, select products. So terms and conditions apply depending on the category. Okay, so this one is off on irons and steamers. So the way you find these, the latest ones that are working, just go to Home Depot promo code here in Google and click on tools. Change this from any time, right? We'll change the results to either past week or past month. And then once we check here, look, 6 days ago, 3 days ago, you get the latest promo code. So this is Peekaboo. This is another good website. Just come here and you're able to pick up promo codes, as you can see. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.